So you want to switch your career into AI and machine learning. Here's the truth. You do not need a computer science degree to do this. You do not need to start from zero either. What you need is a clear plan and 6 months of real focused effort. In this video, I will give you that plan step by step from wherever you are right now to real AI or ML role. No confusing words, just the real steps. Let's start with why this is actually possible. First, you do not need a CS degree. Companies today hire based on skills and real projects, not old diplomas. Second, AI and ML hiring is growing fast. New roles are opening up across almost every industry, not just tech companies. Third, 6 months is enough time, but only if you focus on the right things and skip the rest. You do not need permission to start, you just need the right plan and the will to follow it. Now, people usually try one of the three paths. Path one, a 4 year computer science degree, deep and valuable, but way too slow if you're switching careers right now. Path two, random free courses, easy to start but easy to quit halfway. There is no real structure to keep you going. Path three, a focused 6 month path, structured, practical, and built so you actually finish it. This roadmap is that third path. Here's the whole plan in one simple picture. There are going to be 8 stages spread across 6 months. Stage 1 is mindset and foundation. Stage 2 is Python programming. Stage 3 is math and statistics for machine learning. Stage 4 is data handling and analysis. Stage 5 is core machine learning. Stage 6 is deep learning and AI tools. Stage 7 is portfolio projects. And stage 8 is job search and interviews. Don't worry about memorizing this now. We will go through each stage one at a time. Let's start with stage 1, mindset and foundations. First, a growth mindset. You will feel like a beginner again, and that is completely normal. Second, a basic math refresh, just enough algebra and simple statistics, nothing scary. Third, time blocking. Treat this like a real part time job with real hours set aside every week. Fourth, forget the degree myth. Companies now hire for skills you can show, not just paper you can frame. Get comfortable with these four things first. Everything else builds on top of them. Stage 2 is Python programming. Python reads almost like plain English, which makes it a friendly first language to learn. You will learn variables, loops, functions, and how to work with real files. Two libraries matters most early on, Pandas for working with data and NumPy for working with numbers. Practice on small problems every day. Consistency beats one long study session on a weekend. Stage 3 will be math and statistics for ML, that is machine learning. This is the most non-CS people fear the most. Good news, you need fear less than you think. First, linear algebra basics, vector and matrices, just the intuition behind them. Second, probability in statistics, understanding chance and uncertainty in plain terms. Third, calculus made simple, just understanding what a gradients means, nothing more advanced. Fourth, not a math genius, that is completely fine. You need a practical minimum, not academic level proofs. Stage 4 is data handling and analysis. Every model you build is only as good as the data you feed into it. You will clean messy data, missing values, odd formats, and duplicate rows. You will explore data using pandas to spot patterns before you build anything. And here's a useful fact, a simple chart often reveals more than a complicated algorithm, especially early in the stages. So focus on that in the data handling and analysis. Stage 5 is core machine learning. This is the real heart of ML where a computer starts learning from examples instead of fixed rules. First is supervised learning, learning from label examples, much like a student learning from a teacher. Second is unsupervised learning, finding hidden patterns with no labels at all. Third, model evaluation, checking if your model actually works well, not just guessing. Fourth, scikit-learn practice, the friendliest toolkit for building your very first models. Stage 6 is deep learning and AI tools. A neural network is really just layer of simple math stacked on top of each other. You do not need to build one from scratch. Pre-trained models already do most of the heavy lifting for you. Learn to use today's AI tools well, things like APIs, open models, and ready-made pipelines. You do not need to invent AI. You need to use it well and understand roughly how it works. Stage 7 is portfolio projects, and this is the stage that actually gets you hired because proof beats promises every time. First, pick real problems, something you would actually care about solving yourself. Second, build end to end, go from messy data all the way to one finished working result. Third, publish on GitHub. Make your work easy for anyone to find and check. Fourth, write about your work, explain clearly what you built and what you learned along the way. Stage 8 is job search and interviews. Here is the key idea. Your portfolio is your new degree. Let it lead every single conversation you have. Rebuild your resume around real projects and outcomes, not your old job titles. Practice explaining one project simply in maybe, let's say, under 2 minutes. And remember, most real opportunities come through people. Start networking before you actually need to. You can connect with some people on LinkedIn, or you can get referrals from your colleagues who are already working in tech. Let's put all that into one simple cheat sheet. Your 6 months AI and ML toolbox. For coding, you have Python, Jupyter, and Google Colab. For data, you have Pandas and NumPy. For machine learning, you have scikit-learn. For deep learning, you have PyTorch and basic TensorFlow. For AI tools, you have the OpenAI API and Hugging Face. And for your career, you have GitHub, LinkedIn, and Notion. You do not need to master every tool, just know what each one is for, and that is enough for now. Reading about AI and ML is not enough. You actually need to build things. Here are 5 projects that prove you can do this. One, predict something with real data. Build a simple model that forecasts one real outcome. Two, build a small AI-powered tool, a chatbot or assistant using today's AI tools. Three, clean and analyze a messy data so you can handle real imperfect data well. Four, train a small deep learning model, something simple like a basic image classifier. And five, share it publicly with a short write-up of what you can build and learn. Let's look at a few common mistakes. Almost every career switcher makes one of these early on. Mistake one, chasing every new course instead of finishing just one path. Mistake two, waiting to feel fully ready. You will never feel completely ready. So start anyway. Mistake three, skipping projects for theory. Employers want proof, not just knowledge in your head. Mistake four, comparing yourself to CS graduates. You are on a different path, not a worse one. Spot these mistakes early and you will have a lot faster. Some takeaway, switching career is not about your old degree, it's about 6 months of focused, honest work, mindset, Python, math, and data, then machine learning, deep learning projects, and finally the job search itself. Follow it in order, build real projects along the way, do that, and in 6 months you will have real proof to show, not just promises. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like my video, you can subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.